We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 10 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 10 ML1 Inventory 1.1. I will guide you through this assignment step by step. You can get your assignment done by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, quizzes, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. You can see your project description here to get idea about your assignment. Now move to the next step. That is our step number 1. Step number 1 is about start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 10 ML1 Inventory. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, basically we have to just start Excel and download and open this file. You can download this file from your IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about use get and transform to import the supply table from the E10M1 suppliers access database. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model at import. In this step, we have to import the supply tables in access database file, that is E10M1 suppliers, by using get and transform tab. Then we also have ensured that our table is loaded to the data model at import. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to import the data file suppliers table by using get and transform. Go to the Excel worksheet. From in data tab, go to the get and transform tab. Here we will select from file. We have to import data from access database file. So we will select database and go to the Microsoft Access database because we have to upload the access file. So we will select this file, E10M1 suppliers, and select import. We have to import the supply tables from this file, so we will select this table. Now click on load. It will load our data here, and we have also ensured that our table is loaded to the data model. So go to the query tab. Here we will select the load to. Now we will select this, check this box. That is add this data to the data model and then load it. We will select continue and it will add our this data to the data model. Now we will rename this sheet with the suppliers. Step number 2 is done. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about use get and transform to import the E10M1 inventory text file. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model at import. In this step, basically we have to import the text file, that is E10M1 inventory, using get and transform, and then we have to ensure that our table is loaded to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to import the text file. Go to the data tab. In get and transform tab, we will select our file and then we have to select text file. Now we have to import the inventory text file, so we will select this and click on import. We have to import this file, so we will load it. Now we have to add this data to the data model. Go to the query tab and select load to. Here we will check this box, that is add this data to the data model, and then load it. It will add our this data to the data model. We will rename this sheet, that is our file name, E10 M1 inventory. Step number 3 is complete. Now move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about use get and transform to import the E10M1 orders text file. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model head import. In this step, basically we have to import the order text file, that is E10M1 order text file, by using get and transform, and then we have to add this data to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet. Again, we have to import the text file. So go to the data tab, same as previous step. Go to the get and transform, and we will select our text file. From here, we have to select orders. So we will select now this file, E10M1 orders, and then import it. We will load it. For adding this data to the data model, go to the query tab and select load to. Check this box and load it. Now this data is loaded to the data model. Rename this sheet E10 M1 orders. Move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about use get and transform to import the E10M1 order details XLX file. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model head import. In this step, we have to import the Excel file, that is E10M1 order details. Go to the Excel worksheet. For importing the Excel file, go to the data tab and we will select file and then from Excel workbook. From here, we have to select the order details file, import it. Import the detail XLS file. Load it. Now we will add this data to the data model. Check this box and load it. It will load this data to the data model. We will rename this sheet, that is our file name, order details. Move to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about create a relationship between the supplied table supplier number field and the E10M1 inventory table supplier number field. We have to create a relationship between these two fields, supply number field and supplier number field, from different tables, from supplier tables and E10M1 inventory tables. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to create a relationship. So go to the data tab and data tools group. We will select this one. It's our relationship window box. Now we have to create a new relation, so we will select this new. We have to create a relation from the supplier table, supplier number field, supplier table, supplier number field, and E10M and 1 inventory table supplier number fields. So second table is E10M and inventory and supplier number field. Click OK. It will create a relationship between these two fields from two different tables. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about create a relationship between the order details table product number field and the E10M1 inventory table product number field. Now in this step we have to create a relationship between product number field but different tables from order details and E10M1 inventory. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Again we will select our new relationship and select the table order details table. Order details table and product number. Again we have to select inventory table and product number field. Inventory table and product number field. Click OK. It will create our second relationship between these fields. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about create a relationship between the order tables order ID field and the order details table order ID field. Now we have to create a relationship between order ID field from two different tables, order table and order details table. Go to the Excel worksheet. Now we will click again and select the order table, order table, order ID, order details table, order ID. Click OK. Now it will create our three relations between supplier number fields, order ID fields, and product number fields. Now close it. Total steps in this assignment is 16. I have done 8 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining step of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology, and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.